to IKEA to buy a single chair. But somehow, 2 hours later, you're pushing a trolley full of candles, storage boxes, kitchen gadgets, and things you never planned to buy. Was that your decision? Or was it IKEA's? Because the moment you enter an IKEA store, your journey is already mapped out. Most furniture stores allow you to go directly to what you need. Need a sofa? Go to the sofa section. Need a dining table? Walk straight there. IKEA does the opposite. Instead of letting you choose your route, it guides almost every customer along a carefully designed path. Internally, IKEA's layout is often described as a guided customer journey. First, you enter the showroom, then the marketplace, then the self-serve warehouse, and finally the checkout. This route isn't random. It's designed to maximize the number of products you encounter before leaving. Imagine you're selling furniture. Would you rather customers see 10 products or 1,000? The more products customers see, the more chances they have to discover something they like. That's exactly what IKEA's layout accomplishes. Every turn introduces another room, another shelf, another possibility. Another shelf, another possibility. Retail psychologists often refer to something called the Gruen Effect. It's the moment shoppers become less focused on their original mission. You entered looking for one specific item. But after spending time in an immersive shopping environment, your attention begins to shift. You stop asking, "What do I need?" and start asking, "What would make my home better?" That's when impulse purchases begin. Here's the genius part. IKEA doesn't simply display products. It displays lifestyles. You don't see a sofa. You see a complete living room. You don't see a desk. You see your future home office. Every showroom is designed to help customers imagine a better version of their lives. Just when you think you're finished, IKEA presents one final challenge: the marketplace. This area is filled with small, affordable items: kitchen tools, candles, decor, storage solutions. Each item feels inexpensive on its own, but together they can dramatically increase the value of your shopping cart. People often call IKEA a maze, but technically it isn't. Many stores include shortcuts that allow shoppers to skip sections. The path isn't designed to trap you. It's designed to encourage exploration. The next time you walk into IKEA, pay attention. Notice how every room leads to another, how every display tells a story, how every section introduces new possibilities. Because IKEA isn't just a furniture store. It's one of the most carefully designed retail experiences in the world. And by the time you reach the checkout, the journey itself has already done most of the selling. Every business has a story, and every story reveals a strategy. If you'd like to see more stories like this, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.